Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a quick and easy way to manage your finances? Maybe you're a student looking to streamline your expenses, or perhaps you're a busy professional seeking a convenient banking solution. Whatever your reason, opening a bank account can be a crucial step towards financial stability. Today, we're going to dive into how to open a Moka bank account. Moka is a modern, digital-first bank that offers a range of features designed to make banking more accessible and convenient. With Moka, you can enjoy the flexibility of mobile banking, competitive interest rates, and a host of other benefits. So, let's get started on your journey to opening a Moka bank account. Step 1. Download the Moka app. The first step is to download the Moka app from your smartphone's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Provide your information. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to provide accurate details as they will be used for verification purposes. Step 3. Verify your identity. Moka will require you to verify your identity to ensure the security of your account. You can choose from various verification methods, such as uploading a photo of your ID card or using facial recognition technology. Step 4. Create your account. After verifying your identity, you'll be asked to create a strong password for your Moka account. Choose a password that is difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. Step 5. Fund your account. Once your account is created, you can fund it by linking your existing bank account or using a debit or credit card. Moka offers secure and convenient methods for transferring funds. Step 6. Explore Moka's features. Now that you have a funded Moka account, it's time to explore the various features and services it offers. Here are some of the key features you can look forward to. Mobile banking. Manage your finances on the go with Moka's user-friendly app. Bill payments. Pay your bills directly from your Moka account. Savings goals. Set and track savings goals to achieve your financial objectives. Investments. Explore investment options tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Loans. Access loans and credit facilities with competitive rates. Additional tips. Security. Protect your Moka account by enabling two-factor authentication and avoiding sharing your account details with anyone. Customer support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Moka's customer support team is available to assist you. Moka community. Connect with other Moka users and share experiences on the Moka community forum. Opening a Moka bank account is a simple and straightforward process that can provide you with a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can be up and running with your Moka account in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Start your banking journey with Moka today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.